case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The plaintiff's argument hinged primarily on 4 allegations: that Burlington had falsely reported revenue figures, that it left out crucial information about discounts on coat inventory for 1994, that there was an absence of data on lower savings in early 1994, and that forward-looking statements from Burlington's chief accounting officer were misleading. Upon review, the court ruled in favor of the defendants on several counts. It asserted that the plaintiffs didn't adequately demonstrate intentional or reckless behavior on the part of the defendants, and the charge that Burlington failed to disclose specifics of coat discounts was deemed immaterial for a valid legal claim. The argument about January-February 1994 discounts was also dismissed, as the court reasoned these would be reflected in the cost of goods sold that year. The court further dismissed claims around intentional deception through vague statements by Burlington's top officials, indicating the statements were not specific enough to be deemed actionable. However, the court sided with the plaintiffs on the belief that expressing comfort with an analyst's predictions could be construed as endorsing that prediction. Therefore, the court could not dismiss the plaintiff's charge of earnings overstatement due to BCF's alleged failure to account for inventory-related expenses correctly. A significant part of the case revolved around Burlington's accounting methods. The defendants argued that Burlington's practices were in line with generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP. Still, the court found it unclear whether the alleged accounting oversights could be entirely explained by different accounting techniques. The court also clarified crucial legal principles surrounding statements made by companies. It differentiated between the duty to correct and the duty to update. The former arises when a statement, made to the best of a company's belief, later turns out to be false, needing correction within a reasonable time span. The latter takes effect when a statement, entirely reasonable when initially made, becomes misleading due to unforeseen events. The court decided that the plaintiff's duty to correct claim failed to meet the requisite standards as they did not share specific details about the miscalculations in the forecast and when mistakes were discovered. It also stated that an ordinary earnings forecast did not necessitate a continuous duty for Burlington to update the public. In summary, BCF's lawsuit offered considerable insights into the complexities of security fraud claims and the obligations of companies towards their investors. The court affirmed while some claims were deemed insufficient, others raised vital questions about the responsibilities surrounding financial reporting and communication.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.